Back at Universal. Yeah, Halloween Horror Nights. Woo, see it? Oh, the cup is blocking it. Halloween Horror Nights. Oh, it is hot today, but hey, I'm happy to be here to look at all the Halloween props. I see a cemetery over there. Little Boo's up there somewhere. I don't see any Halloween merchandise just yet. It's gonna be in the specialty stores. It's gonna be down the street over here. All right, let's go find Little Boo first. Oh, you hear that? Beetlejuice. What better music than to find Little Boo? Oh, look at all the pumpkins. Where is he? We're looking for Little Boo. I see him. He's right there in the middle. Smack dab right there in the middle. There he is. Oh, look at that. They've added new props. Oh, hit a Mickey. Oh, we got some Halloween masks. Yeah. Oh, and an axe. Or a hatchet. I don't know what that is. Cleaver. Cleaver. Any other props? Oh, they added some vines. Look at that. Ooh, that one looks good.
Ready? Here we go.
What are they doing?
Right here, low angle. Attack of the killer squirrel, take one, action. Oh, it's a killer squirrel. He's gonna nibble you. He's so afraid he can barely move. Oh, that was crazy. I can feel the fear.
He was totally unbothered by that squirrel.
Exactly.
Yep.
Here we go.
Creating a vortex.
Yeah, creating a vortex. Take one. This is what's known as an art film. Ooh. We're filming you. Who's filming us?
I went to school for this.
It's like a multiverse, huh?
And cut.
Thank you.
That's right. Hey, looking at the pumpkins, take one. Action. Wow, pretty. Cut. Oh, that was just spot on.
They don't need a long take. They don't need a long take. You're good.
Hey, where you guys going?
See you later, Little Boo. We are here at Nettlewood Cemetery. Thank you for letting me know. I see the Scooby-Doo gang is here investigating Nettlewood Cemetery. Peace offerings. Now where's that Scooby-Doo gang? Hopefully they haven't been eaten. It's a mystery van. Scooby snacks. Oh, little clown, I guess they caught. Ooh, this is gonna be a good scare zone. Look at that. Whoa, what evil awaits in these curtains? The dead shall not climb. Oh, there's a photo pass here? Oh, he's a traveling photographer. No photo pass here. Oh, a ghost just came through. It's a ghost, that's not the wind. It's a ghost. A little kid was like, they obviously used fake stuff. He's talking about how fake everything is. It's real. There's gonna be dead people walking around alive again. Chupacabra? Chupacabra? No, we're almost at the end. And we've reached the end of the scare zone. Yeah, that guy's like, shouldn't be here. This is for October. He said, this all feels out of place. It feels just right. Photo pass is back. Oh yeah, dancing pigeon. Okay. This is the Pumpkin Lord. Same as. Oh, look at them. Yeah. Scare zones have their own merchandise line. This is the Nettlewood Cemetery. Who's that? Mm-hmm. These are the scare actors in the cemetery. Ooh, that one's gonna look good. Oh, he's gonna be in the cemetery, I hope.
You do. Check out. He's so
This is gonna be awesome. The shirt I bought right here. Very classic. Every day is Halloween at Universal Studios. There's the back. The only thing missing is anything on the sleeves. There's the mugs. Oh, I mean the glass. Look at this. Looks amazing. I'm gonna buy this when I come later. This is $12.
Get out there, get reading, and get distracted.
Excuse me. I have a new Chucky shirt. I guess he'll be back at the event somehow in a photo op like last time. See, there's the sleeve I was talking about. See, it says Halloween Horror Nights 2022. My shirt's missing that. I like those shirts. And there's Little Boo. The, I want to say official icon now. Little Boo. So here's the Big House Legends Collide. Both a Halloween, it's both a Hollywood and Orlando Halloween Horror Nights. Part 1 and Part 2, split into 2 houses, the first time ever. A house has been split on different coasts. It's pretty cool. Oh, it's Artist Signature Series. I'm Team Wolfman. Woohoo. Oh, looks like a horror show just let out. Oh wow, look at that. Same design, but on a flannel. For Jason Voorhees. And then here is the poster, which I'll buy on my way out. Very nice. Nice. As I exit the store, there is PhotoPass here for people to take photos with the cemetery. Okay. Still no sign of Scooby-Doo gang. Cemetery must have scared them off. Oh, this is the scare actors see right here. Ooh. Oh. This is what the cemetery creatures are looking through before they get you. Get you. Get you. Go. Scare actors, get 'em. Now, boom, ooh. They'll see you coming through here, and then they'll get you right in there. Boom, boom. I bet you he's a scare actor. He's over here scoping out the area. What if he's Pumpkin Lord? He's pretty tall. He's been out here just as long as me taking photos and scoping out his scare zone. As I attempt to leave the most beautiful scare zone, somebody was like, that's Mel's drive-in. No ma'am, that is Mel's die-in. Mel's die-in. All right, here's our next scare zone, which is... Oh, look, new props.
Parade area is actually, that's where I thought it was going to be, but it's
Oh, what is that? Dragons? there's the big stage. Wow, they had doors, cauldron. Can't see what's in there. Got a little bit more witchy props. Ooh, look at that. What does this say? Holiday? Holla? Wonder if it's a Easter egg. Our next Halloween Horror Nights update. I forgot what the zone is called, but basically, candy's gonna turn people crazy. Oh, yeah, that's right. There's something underneath this. It's gonna make you scream. Uh-oh, is this a sign of a hurricane coming? Look at the wind, it's an omen. Oh, I must have bumped into somebody there. I'm sure they're okay under there, whatever they hit. No blood dripping? Nope. Oh, another prop. Secret cart. Oh, more covered up. This is new. I got lollipops. Slytherin green. I'll take that one. And I'll take that one. Oh, this is where they sell the candy that's gonna make people crazy and mutants. There's our world famous tribute center, tribute store. I was hoping for something bigger and badder, but you know, like the entrance to a new dark ride, that would have been amazing. Had they had like an actual created a dark ride that you walk through and shop, that's what this should have been. A movie theater, I guess we'll take it. But idea for next year, a dark ride, old-fashioned dark ride entrance, and you go in there and there's like doom buggy type vehicles moving, going back and forth. Yes, idea. There's the van for Major Suites. We have Judge's booth. Oddly enough, no carved Halloween pumpkins. I guess it's a fall festival, not Halloween. Ooh, it's gonna look good. Killer tastes. There's little Boo. This is not Halloween music. Here's some of the food booths. You can tell they went simple, but at night the lighting effect is supposed to make it pop. I'm sure at night they're gonna look fantastic. And really, these should be decorated for Halloween if this is gonna be a Halloween scare zone. Halloween, October 31st, you should have pumpkins, you should have Halloween decorations in the windows. People can go up there and like trick or treat. That's what all of these here should be. But food trucks are in the way, or food carts. Oh, look at this one. All that's left are eyeballs. So right here is where the scare zone ends, right there. So once you pass this, you're safe. Oh, Animal Kingdom. So they got a food booth. I'm not sure what meat has to do with Halloween candy and a festival, but I mean, meat is meat. Oh, they're gonna let you come all the way back here, huh? There's more food over here.
1, 2, 3. Shine through the eyes, and you're too late by the music love. Oh, that was maybe on a bad day. 1 for 1, all right.
Oh, wow.
And I'm gonna give it to you. Don't do it, shining so bright. Strawberry champagne all night. Looking for you.
Another beer, drink mixes. Nothing over here except some walls. Oh, you know, they're turning all that into part of the trick-or-treat zone. That's where all the houses are gonna be in this street that's closed off. That's where everybody's gonna be trick-or-treating. It's gonna be so cool. There's gonna be something in there. Oh yes, this whole street's gonna be part of the scare zone. Look at that, it's all blocked off. That's where all the houses are. There's a bunch of houses just like on the other side. So right here are the food trucks I was talking about, the doors of the Halloween. Here's where all the trick-or-treating is gonna be. They have to be turning all of these doorstops and storefronts into Halloween chaos. Oh, this is gonna be the street to go through. Right here, this big old street. Right next to Transformers. Alright, look at these. Wow, this is my favorite so far. This is pretty good too. It's like Poltergeist. But not really. But kind of. Okay, this is my favorite. This is inspired by Poltergeist. Alright. Hey, the Munsters are still here. What's up? They're gonna be for Halloween Horror Nights, hopefully.